Hey guys, so this is Nilay Yener from ESTech channel. So I hope that you liked my last video. There was a lot of noise in the last video, so this time we have switched off fans, AC, everything is switched off and it's pretty quiet. So last time you saw with me this laptop and I was actually doing a lot of stuff, and by looking at the start of the video you must have thinking that I must be doing a lot of stuff, but I was actually not doing anything. What I was doing is it was just a basic picture and basically I was doing it. So this time I actually don't take this laptop, I just have my friend Bob and I just keep my laptop to the side. But what we are going to do this time, so what exactly is this? So this is basically a gift from Google which is being given to all the community members. Most of you guys must be knowing that I am a part of Flutter Mumbai as well as Flutter India, and we have been doing all this work. Like Flutter India is from April and Flutter Mumbai we have started is from like last January or November. So from that we have been doing events, contributing to websites. So this time Google has actually presented us with a lot of things. So basically this will be my first unboxing, and as I said last time that I'll be doing a lot of stuff in ESTech channel. It won't be just for the coding part. So it will be kind of like a vlogging, my everyday life, then the unboxing that I do and a lot of things. So this time it is actually an unboxing thing, and I was actually not prepared for this. So it's just that there is no one at home right now, and me and Vivek are alone and doing all this recording. So I have this kitchen knife. So please forgive me if anyone feels endangered, and please don't perform this stunts at home. I will assure you that. So let me just open this, if we can open it. Okay, so I don't need this knife. I can open it directly, and yeah. So let's just open it. Sorry for tearing apart, but I am not pretty much experienced and I never do this. My family member always do all the opening and everything. I have never tried it for myself. So yeah. And these are like bubble wraps that I'm going to play with after the video. That's for sure. Let's just put it on the bed right now, not on the ground. नहीं तो मम्मी बहुत मारेगी यार, जूता चप्पल निकाल के मारती है बच्चे को. Okay, so I think I will be needing the knife for this part. Yeah. So there was actually a 2-layer about this, and this is the 3rd layer. Yeah, I think so. This is the 3rd layer, and I'm actually feeling like I'm doing a postmortem at NCIS. Because like if some of you guys watch NCIS, because I watch a lot of NCIS on Prime Video, then my 2 of the favorite that I watch is NCIS Orleans. Sorry, it is NCIS New Orleans, but they say always say DC, so I don't know the proper state. And second one is the LA, the NCIS LA, where I like a lot. And unfortunately, I haven't watched them a lot, but then yeah, well, okay, well it is opening. And it's taking a lot of time for me to open. Yep. So finally it has opened, the final layer. Yeah, so final layer has been opened. So let's see what exactly is it. So let's see what exactly in this double wrap, and yeah. Well, I think I need to cut the double wrap. Unfortunately, okay, I don't have to, because like they have some of the other ending. Okay, so they have this ending. I can just open. I'll just cut it open. So now we have this Flutter. So this is the first Flutter gift that I've got. Let's open the Flutter box. So I'll just open it. Whew. So the first thing that I got is basically the bass headphones. So it is basically the Tune 500 that we have got from JBL. It is a Bluetooth headphone and it runs for 16 hours at what it says. Yeah. So well, I'll just open it up and bring it out. So this is basically the headphone that I've got. So it is the pure bass zero cable headphone. And what it says is like there are multiple features they have given over here in the start. And even here it is like dare to listen, and we have got a multiple features over here. So we'll talk about this later. I will surely talk about it, what exactly is in this. So by the time, like, let's see what exactly is in the second thing. So the side, like, I have got something. So what I think is I'll just open the stickers first. So we have got something over here, and this is basically the stickers that I have got from Flutter itself. So I'll just put it down over here. So yeah. So we have got these 5 stickers, and out of which I'm going to keep 2. And whoever needs it, they can just comment on the stickers. And once they comment, like I'll just write a basic random program, and let's see like who will be the lucky winner, and they will get the stickers. And the third thing that I've got is basically a box, and it is kind of like a mystery box, and I don't know what exactly is in it. So let's just open the box. Yeah, so I'll just bring anything, and okay, so there is nothing else in this. But to be honest, like I really like this box, the Flutter box, and I will surely keep it as a souvenir. So for the time being, like I'll just keep it aside, and well, let's just open this. What exactly is in this? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so this is some kind of mystery. So just open it. Okay. So we have got a cup, basically. Yeah. So this is a Flutter Cup. So it is my Flutter Cup. They have written over here, Flutter. So I actually wanted a nice coffee cup. Basically, I like a coffee a lot. So thank you guys for this thing. Thank you basically Flutter devs for this thing, this cup, and I will surely drink coffee. And guys, you are going to see a lot of images and photos on Instagram. So you can just follow me on the Instagram. The link will be in the description. And once you follow it, you will see a lot of pictures with this Instagram, my Mac, and my coding sessions. So this is a cup. So we have the stickers, this cup, but then, okay. So let's talk about these headphones. So I'll just open it up, but before opening up, let's see what exactly is this. So we have this Tune 500 BT. So it says wireless, pure bass sound, hands-free calls. It's sans fills, sun pure bass, Apple's means libraries. Okay, libraries. Okay. So it has all these things, but I don't know any of it. I seriously don't know what exactly is it do, because I'm not a kind of like a technophobia. I'm trying to become one. So I will surely but first let's just open this box. Okay, yeah, but first opening is what it says is like it has JBL pure bass sound, JBL pure bass. So what exactly is it saying? Okay, they have just given keywords. It is not kind of like a description. Second, it says hands-free call, so we can just put up on my headphone and give a call. So whenever if I do a live stream, or if I do, so basically in Flutter Mumbai and Flutter India, you can see me using these headphones during call sessions. Second, it says like multi-point connection multi-source. So what is saying that I can connect to my mobile, my laptop, and multiple sources. I think that's what it is. And it says lightweight and foldable design conception Legre et Platy. So I don't know what exactly. I think it's Spain or Germany. I don't know the language itself, what it says. So I'll just zoom it, and if somebody knows what exactly it means, do tell me and do comment it. And once we go on the side, like it just tells us the function, what exactly is it like. So once we go on the side, if you can see properly, that it shows some functions, and here it says it is, I think so, the hey. Okay, when we speak. So when we speak, what happens is like it can stop, it can go backward, it can pause, we can call using it, you can go forward, and the volume can be increased. So over here is just a basic manual that we get. And if you can see over here, it is kind of like an image of I think so, it is some of a DJ. I do hear a lot of music, but I don't know a lot of musicians or DJs who play these songs. So I'm not a big fan of that. So well, let's open it. What exactly is in it? So how do we open it basically? Okay, so we can open it from below, if you can see this. So yeah, so we have QR code over here. If anyone wants, they can scan it, but I will surely do it later. Okay, so we have the JBL headphones over here. So I'll just take it out, but for that I need to open this and this as well. So I really like the casing part, like it is pretty tough, and so that the JBL headphones won't come out, or it won't distort, or it won't break basically. So well, let's open this headphones. Ooh, so these are basically Flutter JBL headphones. That is the 500 TB, if you can see. So if I want to put it like, I can put it like this, and I'll just like strap it up. So it is kind of like this, but when I'm trying to speak, I can't hear my voice properly, because like this has completely covered my ears, or basically you can say like a eardrums. So it is like that. So But the best thing that I get is over here. Flutter. So the first thing that I get over here is a Flutter, and well, let's see what we have in this guide map. Okay, so this is basically, so I think it is from some song. I will surely, so I have my friend who is pretty good in this and who listens to a lot of songs, so I will surely find out from him whose song is this, and I will surely tell you guys. So we have this sticker, and I'll just like take it out. Yeah, so we have to take it out this, and I think this has some guidelines or something. So okay, but first let me just take everything aside, put everything aside so that we can easily open this up. So I put everything up aside, and we have these two things. So one of this is a cable basically. So it is a red cable. In my whole life, I just had one white cable. So this will be kind of like a new experience, at least for me. That's what I think. And well, I'll just open this up. So let's just open this up. And well, let's see what exactly is in it. And what do we get? So we have this paper, and it is purely in Japanese, I think so. Japanese or Chinese. So I don't know what exactly is in it. And I've got this another paper from JBL itself, and I'm just trying to open it up, and what it says is, so it is kind of like a guideline thing. It has a lot of information, and it is present in multiple languages. So okay, it is a warranty card. Like in English, they have given over here. That is, it is a warranty card. So we have this warranty card over here. Yeah. So this is basically the instruction manual and the working manual that we get. And the third thing that we have got over here is, okay, so basically it tells us like what are things that are present over here, FCC and statement. So it maybe tells us about the stuff. So basically I'm not into a lot of legal matters, and I'm not into all this kind of stuff because we don't generally see what is this. So I'll just put it up back, but I would like to just put it up first properly. I don't want to create a mess, or else my mom will surely kill me or hit me with a stick. So I'll just keep this aside with these papers. And so we have this tune, and well, okay, there's nothing in it, but if we open it up, so it has all the instruction manuals, it has different colors. So I'll just wrap it up so that I'll understand what exactly is this. So it tells some behavior, it is a start guide to how to use it, and it is in multiple different languages. So in English, where will I get it? Guide this, okay, quick start guide. It is in Japanese, it is in different languages. So I'll have to search for my own language, that is English, that I understand. So I'll surely look it for later. So guys, what have we got over here is, okay, pure bass JBL, this mug, and this 5 stickers. Yeah. So thank you Flutter a lot. So thank you Nikita Gandhi, Flutter Devs, Google Dev India for all these gifts for me, and we'll surely try to contribute a lot more. Thank you very much. So thank you very much guys for all your support, and all the viewers and all the people who attend our meetups. We have Flutter Mumbai, Flutter India, all the different communities in India and all over the world. Everybody is getting this. So do enjoy guys. So thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon.